Hey, this is Candace Boutel with Inspire, and I'd like to take you through the Career Exploration Request form. From our webpage, inspirewi.org, you can navigate to the event registration page. From here, you'll begin entering information to make the request. The first thing that you'll have to decide is whether you'd like to schedule an in-person activity or if you'd like to schedule a virtual career event. I'm going to choose in-person activity. We have shared other videos about how to schedule the pre-schedule events that are found on our calendar. Today I want to talk to you about the individual event requests, any of the other options that you see here. Let's choose Job Shadow. When you're looking at individual requests, the form is able to filter in a few different ways. If you know what company you already want to visit, you simply choose that company from the list and give us a little bit of information. One of the things that we want to know for your individual activities is what you'd like to learn from the experience. Is there a specific career area that you're interested in? That's the type of information that we'd like to know. The next piece of information we'd like to know is when you hope to have this activity completed by. Remember that our companies probably need a few weeks of lead time to make this happen, so don't expect it to happen overnight. Then click Next. From here, you're going to fill out the contact information so that we can follow up with the necessary information to complete your request. You can also include a parent or guardian email if you'd like them to be notified that you've made this request. Submit the form and then be sure to check your email. You will receive follow-up information that is necessary for you to actually schedule the event. If you're not sure exactly which company you'd like to visit, there are other ways that you can filter. If you have a general idea about the career area that you'd like to explore, you can filter by career cluster. These are the main categories that all careers are going to fall under. Select the career cluster, and from here, a list of companies, depending on your area and your area of interest, will be filtered out. You can select a company, give us that additional information, and complete the registration form. Finally, if you just don't know the topic or company that you'd like to select, you can choose, please help me choose a company, and fill out the rest of the form, and we will receive a notification that you would like some additional support in choosing a company. Please give us at least 2 business days to do some outreach on your behalf, and then we'll follow up with you with information to help you complete your request. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at info@inspirewi.org.